Hi students, good morning. Welcome to today's maths class. In last class, we saw before, between and after. Before, between and after. I hope you are clear with before, between and after. But still, let I teach what is before, between and after. What is before? One, you can see three numbers, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What is the number before? Before na another munnik. Before na another munnik. What is the number before to 1? What is the number before to 1? What is the number between 1 and 3? 2. What is the number between? Between means center. Between means center. What is the number between 1 and 3? 2. 2 is the number between 1 and 3. And what is the number after 2? 3. 3 is the number after 2. Before, between, after. What is the number before 1? What is the number before 1? 0. Okay. What is the number before 1? Before 1, there is always 0. Before 1, 0. Okay. What is the number before 1? 0. 0 is the number before 1. What is the number after 1? 2. 2 is the number after 1. And what is the number between 0 and 2? 1. 1 is the number between 0 and 2. Okay. I hope you are clear. Now take your book. Kids, take your book. Look the pictures. Look the pictures. The mango is in between the cabbage and the tomato. The mango is between. The mango is between the cabbage and tomato. This is cabbage and tomato. Where is the mango? The mango is between cabbage and tomato. Mango எங்க இருக்கு? கேபேஜுக்கும் டொமேட்டோக்கும் நடுவில் மேங்கோ. பிட்வீனா என்ன சொன்ன? நடுவில். பிட்வீனா என்னது? நடுவில். The mango is between the cabbage and tomato. The cabbage is before the mango. Where is the cabbage? Cabbage எங்க இருக்கு? மேங்கோக்கு முன்னுக்கு இருக்கு. Before, before. Beforeனா என்னது? முன்னாடி. முன்னாடி. The cabbage is before the mango. Cabbage எங்க இருக்கு? மேங்கோக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கு. Cabbage is before the mango. Cabbage is before, முன்னுக்கு. The cabbage is before the mango. Where is the tomato? The tomato is after. After the mangoக்கு பின்னுக்கு என்ன இருக்கு? Tomato. மேங்கோக்கு பின்னுக்கு tomato. Cabbage முன்னுக்கு இருக்கு, tomato பின்னுக்கு இருக்கு. Mango நடுவில் இருக்கு. The tomato is after the mango. The tomato is after the mango. The cabbage is before the mango. Before. The mango is between the cabbage and tomato. The mango is between. Nadula. The mango is between the cabbage and tomato. The tomato is after the mango. The tomato is after the mango. Are you clear, students? Are you clear? Where is the mango? The mango is between the cabbage and tomato. Where is the mango? The mango is between the cabbage and the tomato. Where is the cabbage? The cabbage is before the mango. The cabbage is before the mango. Where is the tomato? The tomato is after the mango. Students, for today's activity, we will do number before. Okay, we'll do some activities related to before. Shall we start? In the book activity, you have many numbers here, but we have learnt up to number 50, right? We have learnt up to 50. We doesn't learn the remaining numbers. So once we complete all the numbers, we'll do this activity. But here, let I choose some numbers alone. You will say what is the number before that number. Okay, write the numbers that are just before the given numbers. What is the number before 9? What is the number before 9? Say 1 2 3 1 2. Say number 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. What comes before 9? 8. 8, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. What is the number before 8? Sorry, what is the number before 9? 8. 8 is the number before 9, right? So they have given number 8. Okay, what is the number before 7? What is the number before 7? Count. See, this is number 7. And what is the number before 7? What do you see here? You see number 6. You see number 6, right? So the number before 7 is 6. So write number 6 here. 6. Why we are writing 6? Because the number before 7 is 6. 7 ku munnuku endha number irukku? 6. So we are writing 6 here. Are you clear, students? What is the number before 6? What is the number before 6? What is the number before 6? 5. What is the number before 6? 5. Are you clear what is before now? Are you clear, students? Shall we do some activity? Okay. What is the next number? The next number is 2. What is the number before 2? What is the number before 2? You have number 1. Before 2 is number 1. Before 2 is number 1. So write number 1 here. What is the number before 2? 1. 1 is the number before 2. What is the number? 1. Okay, 1. What is the number before 10? Count with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. What is number before 10? You have number 9. So write number 9, because 9 is 10. 9 is before 10. Okay, 9 9 10. What is the number before 8? 8 க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கு? 7. 7. Okay, so write number 7. What is the number before 8? You have number 7. So you are writing number 7 here. What is the number before 3? What is the number before 3? Before 3? What is the number before 3? 1 2 3. You have number 2 before 3. 3 க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன இருக்கு? 2. So write number 2. What is the number before 4? What is the number before 4? Before 4, what you have? You have number 3. You have number 3. So write number 3. Students, I have completed this activity, right? For test tube, I am giving some numbers. You will send me the answers for those numbers. You all know up to number 50, right? What is the number before 14? What is the number before 14? You have to write number 14, 13, 11, 74, no need, okay? I haven't teached that, so don't do this answer. You know what, you have learnt up to 50 numbers. So I write this number, the answer for this, for this, for this, for this, for this, for this, no need. For this you have to write, this you have to write, this you have to write, this no need, this you have to write, 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 this no need, this right, you have to write this, except the number 71, 74, 89 and 99, except these four boxes, except these, this box, this box, this box and this box, except these boxes will complete the answer for the remaining boxes. Okay, once you complete, I will check your answers, and in the next class I will give you the answers. Okay, if you haven't written the answers correctly, I will teach this portion in the next class. Okay, thank you kids.